A bottle for Mary. And a bottle for Claire. They're asleep. I can finally have tea. Oh no! Don't cry. I wish I could have a cookie. Not now. Ooh, Dad's soda helmet. It's perfect. You and me. So nice. Honey, how am I supposed to drink Coke? This helmet? Don't worry. There you go. Enjoy the game. Thanks a lot. There's a fight for the bathroom every morning. I'm first. No, I am. First round. I'm in charge here. And I'll go to the bathroom first. Oh no! Don't do it, Dad! I figured it all out. Here's a schedule. And the first one to shower is me. Whatever. Daddy, we want bikes. What? They are too expensive. Please. Okay, Dad will come up with something. That's great, Dad. That's not what we meant. Thank you, Dad. Is Claire home? I'll be waiting downstairs. Here it is. A fishy message. What does it say? I can't unlock it. Stupid spy gadgets. Oh, I have another daughter. Screen unlocking payment. Look here. Okay, the phone is unlocked. What? Waiting for you downstairs? Come without Dad. Okay, I will. Don't go anywhere. A what surprise! What? Who read my message? You unlocked my phone again! You traitor! What's going on here? That's no good! Honey, fix this! Claire, your family is so nice! Now it's perfect! Yummy! Someone was hungry! Hi, Mom! Girls, today is a great day! We are going to the dentist! Oh, yeah! Oh, no! Let's get started! Claire, perfect! Good girl! You can go! Mary! Open your mouth wider! Mary, please open your mouth! Mary doesn't want to show off all her crooked teeth. Okay, I'll take care of it. There you go. Much better. She finally tamed those teeth. Mom! Oh, kids! Want to take a selfie? Sure. Does it look good? I'm perfect. And I'm just a big blob again. In all the pictures! Girls, we're at a park! Hey, where are you going? Where's the other one? I found her! No, Mary is gone! There you are! Girls, I asked you 1,000,000 times to stay by my side. It's all for nothing. I have an idea. Come on! Now you can't go far! So good! Mom's coming! Mary, what is that? Snacks and candy? You can't have candy! We'll have to take drastic measures! Done! I'll take this away! Rubber bands! Her teeth don't really like it! You'll thank me later! What do you think? The color is great! The guard is gone! The register is all mine! A burglar! Whoops! Rubber bands! The burglar is immobilized and disarmed! You're not going anywhere! Wow! Great job! Thank you very much for helping us arrest a dangerous criminal. You can have this police badge. Thanks. Thank you. Happy birthday, girls. Thanks. Where's the gift? Close your eyes. It's a surprise. Just a little. Ta-da! Here's your gift. A car. One for both of us? Fine. Claire, here are the keys. Why does she get everything? Okay, here are the keys, Mary. That's not fair. I want keys too. I have an idea. A spare steering wheel. And everyone's happy. Dad, will you give us money? I don't have any. But I know how to make some. TikTok will make me rich. Girls, here's a task for you. Shoot funny clips, and we'll post them on TikTok. Keep up the good work. Okay, go again. Nice, but you can do better. What? It's ready? Are we famous yet? Daddy, where's the money? But all the TikTok money goes to Mom anyway. Claire's really struggling. Dad! I'm taking an exam today. I have an idea. Mary, help your sister. Go take an exam instead of Claire. I hate exams. Don't worry. A headphone for Claire and a headphone for Mary. Repeat after Claire. Go take the exam. That's a great idea. Hello, Mr. Justin. Good afternoon. Hey, you're here. I'm here. Repeat after me. The sum of the triangle's legs is… Whoops! Bless you. Come solve the equation on the board. If 10 multiplied by x equals 100, then what does x equal? Using the formula, we divide 100 by 10 and get a scorpion! The answer is a scorpion! My answer is a low grade. Daddy, would you make me some tea? Thanks. Make some tea? Okay. Oh, is this for me? You are so caring. That's sweet. I'm giving you an A+. Thank you, Professor. Hey, can I play with you? I want to play too. Yeah, here's a doll. Not this. Here you go. Give me a game controller. Hey, what's wrong with it? It's not working. Okay, family. Who's gonna win? Mary, is that you? Destroy everyone! Mary, you ruined the game for us. This scarf is mine. I got it first. It looks better on me. Girls, no need to fight. I'm gonna make 2 scarves for you right now. Stop. Then they'll both have a short scarf. That's worse for everyone. Cut the scarf lengthwise, not crosswise. A long scarf for each girl. Thanks, Mom. What? My trophy? Girls! Who did that? Mary? Was it you? Or you? Wait, which one of you is Mary? How did I tell you apart earlier? Mary and Claire. Now I won't mix you up. Can I take the paper off? I am so smart. Old life hacks are the best. Girls, don't move. Honey, put the marker away. Girls, do you like piercings? Who wants a new accessory? Mary gets a moon and Claire gets a sun. A marker is safer. Awesome life hack. I'm gonna hand over the phone to Mary. Hold on.
Oh.
There's something on the wall. Mary has a moon. Here's the phone. Mom's calling. Your teeth have to be clean. If a toothbrush is stuck in your braces, it's very hard to get it out.
Ew.
Sorry, honey. I didn't mean to. Hey, Mary? Mommy! Dad, wake up! Mary is gone. What if… Nah, I got a message. Look, your daughter is kidnapped. Poor Mary! Stay calm. I have a plan. Here's your ransom. Here's your daughter. We're not paying anyone. Stop. Here's another message. This is a map to find Mary. Come on. Let's find our daughter. Is that our college? Martin, do you remember we met here? Laura, I like you. Yeah, I know. Let's look in this locker. Here's our next lead. Hurry up. I know this place. We're here. Laura, do you remember this table? Honey, will you marry me? Yes, I will. We were so happy. Oh, that was a long time ago. Look, a new lead. The hospital. Come on. Where's our Mary? Oh, do you remember what happened here? These are our girls. So beautiful. And we were such happy parents. Mary, come out.